Hello, my crafty friends. Today I'll be showing you how to make this project. So I'm using this watercolor book. Then I'm using this stamp, which is more like a number stamp. You can use any number stamp, or I'm going to list this. If I find it, I'm going to list this in the description box. So I'm trying to open it out from that, but it's not coming out. So I'm going to keep that as it is, and then I'm going to take this archival link and I'm going to stamp it. So I'm going to do this as a first step. So this has a lot of numbers and even some writings. So I'm sure there are stamps which has all these things. I'm using the different parts of the stamp. Now I'm going to dry this stamp. Then I'm going to use the watercolor paints. Then I'm going to first put this kind of like a lemon yellow. The archival ink is so good that it doesn't smudge at all. So that's why I think a watercolor is bright enough for the background. Then I'm going to add some grays in this. So I like this lemon yellow and gray, but you can change it if you want to put some different color. So I'm just blending it together so it will look um, lighter, not too dark. So now I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. Then I'm going to place this and see where I want it, and then I want to add some more stamps. So this is like a different stamp which has again numbers and um, different textures on that. So this is where I want to keep that frame. So I'm adding little more on the other side. Then I'm going to again place it and see how I want it. Then I'm going to use some black ink. Um, it's like a archival ink. No, I think it's like acrylic ink. Sorry, it's a acrylic black ink, and I'm going to just put it like like it should look like imperfect. So I'm just adding it here and there. Then I'm adding some kind of like a mark making and doodling. I'm trying to like splatter a little bit. So now I'm going to dry all these things. Now I'm going to use this die and cut it. And this is the kind of like a black cardstock. So I did the die cut and I'm going to place all the other elements and see how I want it. And I'm going to add some other elements also in this. Now I'm going to use the glue and stick on the project. Then I'm going to add this frame. Then I'll keep this element in the center. So I'm going to, it's too plain in the background, so I'm going to put some stripes on the frame. That gives little bit texture. This is like a Sharpie black pen. So now I'm going to glue it. Then you can use any frame or any pattern for the frame. It doesn't have to be like a square or rectangle or anything. So I'm just going to add this flowers. So before I add it, I'm going to color it. I didn't want to keep it as black and white, so I'm definitely going to color these flowers. So I'm going to put away the other stuff. Now I'm using this Derwent Inktense pencils and I'm coloring it. So now I'm going to use the foam tape, and I'm going to add these flowers in this project. Then I'm going to add the other elements in this. Then I'm going to add these leaves, and then the other flower. Then I have the other element, and I'm going to add that on the other side, or maybe not. Then I'm going to add this coat and finish the project. This is like a very simple project. You can use this technique in junk journal or scrapbooking. Um, then before I finish it, I'm just going to add the sequence. This is optional. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. um, I'm going to add those just to give some shine in the background. So you can use as many as you want. So now I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.